Alright, we're going to replace the DC jack on a beautiful Dell XPS system here. And the service tag, or we should say the model on this, is P for Peter, 56F for Frank. Let's go ahead and do this. So this one, there's two screws here that needs to come out first. Let's go ahead. We will be doing further work on this laptop in the near future. We will actually replace the whole top palm rest because there's a problem with the one side of the hinge, which is actually a common problem on this family of laptops, unfortunately. Interestingly, these two screws are different. I wonder why, which doesn't make sense. Okay. Right, so there we go, so you can see. Let's start removing all these screws. I need a slightly bigger tip. Looks like they're using same size screws on each section. Okay, let's have a look. Now it's important to disconnect the battery always. So the battery connector is there. Just lift that up a little bit. There we go. Battery is disconnected. Now our DC jack, where are you? You are on that side there, which is sitting on the LCD hinges. Okay. Remember to adjust the camera a little bit and open this up. Oops, as you can see, this part is coming off, unfortunately, and that's why we will be replacing the top palm rest completely. Okay, let's have a look at this. So that comes out like that. Let's have a look at our new DC jack. So it goes in like that, and the red is on the left. So it's just a matter of yanking this out. There we go. And now to remove this, it's held down by a screw there. That's also broken. This is bizarre. Okay, so what we're gonna do is okay, see if we can disconnect one part of the. This is unfortunate here, the way it's damaged. So we've got 1, 2 screws and 3 screws, matter of fact, which hold on to the palm rest. Okay, there's one more screw here. I don't think that is connected to anything. Okay, I am going to loosen this part here. So 1, 2, and 3 screws here. There we go. So the left side has come out. Alright, so this screw here holds the DC jack in place. That should just pop out, and the DC jack holder is actually broken. Wow, this is bizarre. So this is one of the issues for this model. Everything just breaks apart, disintegrates. It's a horrible design. Knowing Dell, they'll never do a recall on this model. Okay, we're gonna put this back, but alright, the little bit, plastic bit is somewhere here. See if you can find it. Or it's fallen off. Looks like it's fallen off. Okay. Now the new DC jack will simply go here. Ah, there it is. This little bit here. Okay, so what we're gonna do, put this guy back in here. For now, it's really a cosmetic because it's broken off. Okay, let's put this DC jack screw back, and it really is a horrible design. Okay, let's try and secure this. Okay, DC jack in place. Let's connect the battery and see if the battery charging indicator light will come on. Yep, it comes on, but as you can see, it is as long as it doesn't cut off, that's fine. Battery is full. It's connected properly. We will secure that properly once we get the complete new top panel, which will come with new one of those ports, and we'll do a video on that when it comes in. So for now, this is all we're going to do on this laptop. We're probably going to see this soon in the future, probably in about a week or two, with DC jack and the entire components, including fingerprint, touchpad, keyboard, you name it. Everything will be swapped out to a new palm rest. Which is not difficult, and you've probably seen one of my other videos with a Dell XPS complete disassembly video. This doesn't make sense, does it? How is it that one of them is small while the other one is big? No idea. Anyway, we'll fix that up as well when we get the replacement top palm rest. So this one has the fingerprint. What I'm really looking for is the charging indicator here. Originally it kept going on and off. As you can see, it's charging. If I play around, it is not going off. That's the main thing. The old one, it was going off. Alright, just test all the other components, make sure they're working fine. Sweet. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in a couple of weeks for the same laptop for a complete disassembly.